Not again.
Oh, this ain't supposed to happen to me.
Keep rocking and keep knocking, whether you Louboutin it up or rebirth it. You see the hate that they serving on a platter. So what we gonna have, dessert or disaster? I never thought I'd be in love like this. When I look at you, my mind goes on a trip. Then you came in and knocked me on my face. Feels like I'm in a race, but I already won first place. I never thought I'd fall for you as hard as I did. You got me thinking about a life, our house, our kids, yeah. Every morning I look at you and smile, cause boy, you came around and you knocked me down, knocked me down. Sometimes love comes around, love comes around, love and it knocks you down. Just get back up when it knocks you down, knocks you down. Sometimes love comes around and it knocks you down. Just get back up when it knocks you down, knocks you down.
Yeah, I never thought I'd hear myself say, y'all go ahead, I think I'm gonna kick it with my girl today. I used to be commander-in-chief on my pimp shit flying high, till I met this pretty little missile that shot me out the sky. It's so now I'm crashing.
Don't know how it happened,
But I know it feels so damn good. Said if I could go back and
make it happen faster.
don't you know I would, baby, if I could. Miss Independent to the fullest. Alone never too much, she helping me pull it. She shot the bullet that ended that life. I swear to you, the pimpin' me just died tonight. Girl, sometimes love.
Sometimes love comes around,
Love comes around.
and it knocks you down. Just get back up when it knocks you down, knocks you down. Sometimes love comes around, and it comes around. Just get back up when it knocks you down, knocks you down. Tell me now, can you make it past your Caspers, so we can finally fly off in a NASA? You was always the cheerleader of my dreams. You seemed to only date the head of football teams, and I was the class clown that always kept you laughing. We were never meant to be, baby, we just happened. So please don't mess up the trick. Hey young world, I'm the new slick Rick. They say I move too quick, but we can't let this moment pass us. Let the hourglass pass right into ashes. Let the wind blow the ash right before my glasses. So I wrote this love letter right before my classes. How could a goddess ask someone that's only average for advice? OMG, you listen to that bitch. Woe is me, baby, this is tragic, cause we had it, we was magic. I was flying, now I'm crashing. This is bad, real bad. Michael Jackson, now I'm mad, real mad. Joe Jackson, you should leave your boyfriend now. I'ma ask him.
So you gotta take the good with the bad, happy and the sad. Well, will you bring a better future than I had in the past? Oh, cause I don't wanna make the same mistakes I did. I don't wanna fall back on my face again.
Whoa, whoa,
I was scared to answer love's call. And if it is better, make it worth the fall when it comes around.
sometimes love comes around, love comes around, love comes around. Just get back up when it knocks you down. Up when it love comes around. Love comes around. Get back up when it knocks you down.
So gotta do it all.
Take with the bad, get with the bad, happy and the sad. Well, will you bring a better future than I had in the past?
Oh, cause I don't wanna make the same mistakes I did.
I don't wanna fall back on my face again. I'll admit it. I was scared to answer love's call. And if it hits, better make it worth the fall when it comes around. Sometimes love comes around, and it knocks you down. Just get back up when it knocks you down.
When love comes around,
It knocks you down.
knocks you down.
Won't see it coming when it
Uh,